My name's Hannah Kelly. Today is February 21st, 2020, and this is the sheep brain dissection. So first, I'm going to show you and here's my notes. The frontal lobes, which is right here. Then we have the longitudinal fissure. Back here, we have the parietal lobes. And down here, it's the occipital lobe. And the cerebellum. It's right here. Got a little mangled. Over here is the temporal lobe. We have the gyri right here. Down a little bit further is the sulci or sulcus groove. As you move down. Oh, in the longitudinal fissure, I said. I'm going to keep going down into where I had made the cut, and it split the sheep brain in half. So now I can tell you what's inside. So right here is the corpus callosum. It's this right here, if you can see it. And then the inside here, as well as the thalamus, this piece down here. The hypothalamus is right here. You can see where I'm there. And then we have the medulla oblongata, which is, if I flip it around, it's easier to see. You can see right here, this is the medulla oblongata. Within that, this got a little bit messed up as I was dissecting, but here's the white matter. And then down here is the meninges. And that is all for the sheep brain.